This is a quick example of what I will do on major assignments when I give video feedback. Now, you also need to understand that I will give video feedback to everyone on this first assignment. If you do not look at your video feedback, I will not give you another major assignment with video feedback. It takes me quite a while to get this set up. And so if you are not taking advantage of it, I will not do this. If you want me to start it up after you realize you missed the first one or something, you can request that I start up video feedback on your next major assignment. So we will go through this. I've created this assignment that the test student submitted, and you may see that in the discussion. So the first thing I do is I open up the rubric and look at what you need to, what the requirements were for the assignment. So the full marks, the student has posted 6 finished designs, preliminary work, including sketches, thumbnails, and roughs for all designs. All designs are posted and visible to the class. So you could have done this in a link, or you could post this into the class. And so for the test student, I can see they submitted rough drafts, but some of those sketches, not all 8 thumbnails were done before, so I'm going to dock a few points for that. The technical requirements, 17 by 14, this is done correctly. Meeting constraints, the designs were use of exactly 4 squares, nothing was skewed, and so this is correct on there. I'll give full marks. And then the student has included a short summary, 5 to 7 sentences. This is not 5 to 7 sentences. I'm going to give partial marks for that. And then if you submit within the first week or so of the assignment, because you have the deadline, which is Saturday night, and then I will grade the following Saturday. So if you have it in before the next Saturday, I will not dock any points. If you get it in like 2 or 3 weeks later or something, it becomes difficult for me because I have to go back and into that scenario and get that set up. And so you will lose the points for that. So this student, like you can see, especially if you're just a few minutes late or something, you will still get the 0. But no, don't worry about that. I will still grade it. And this is about the only points that you will miss if you turn it in within a few weeks. So I'm going to submit that assessment. So here you can see this is what was earned, 48 out of 55. And then down here, I will give you a little message. You are meeting most of the requirements for this assignment. Please watch the video feedback. And then the video feedback looks like here. Hit submit on this. We can go into it and you can see. So this is what it will look like, something like this. And it will show you what we've done. If you have some feedback on that, I'm always welcome to feedback. And so you can either send me a video or just write me a note, and I will answer any questions or potentially give you more explanation for the grade that you got. But anyway, I will respond to anything you request. So hopefully this helps you understand how the grading process goes. And if you have any questions, please let me know.